Welcome back to CarConnect, the ultimate destination for all things on wheels. Today, we have got something super exciting lineup for you. Are you looking to buy a new car without breaking the bank? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we are counting down the top 5 under 10 lakh that offers the perfect blend of style, performance and value for money. Whether you are first time buyer, a family person or someone who just love to drive, we have got something for everyone. From sleek hatchback to compact SUVs, we have carefully selected these cars based on their features, reliability and of course their price tags. So buckle up, let's dive into the world of affordable excellence. Without further delay, let's get started with our list of the top 5 cars under 10 lakhs. Stay tuned till the end to see which car takes the number 1 spot. Tata Altroz. Price range starts from 6.6 lakh rupees. Safety 5-star global NCAP rating. The Altroz excels in safety with its robust build and advanced safety features. Dual front airbag, ABS EBD, rear parking sensor, ISOFIX child mounts and speed sensing auto door locks. Exterior design. Striking design with a sleek body, sharp line and signature humanity line grille. Interior. Premium dual tone interiors with a floating touchscreen infotainment system of 7-inch, smartphone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and voice command recognition. Engine option. 1.2 liter petrol and 1.5 liter diesel engines with option for a manual and automatic transmissions. Driving dynamics. Best handling, comfortable ride quality and good fuel efficiency suitable for urban and highway driving. Spacious cabin. Sufficient headroom and legroom for all occupants with rear AC vents. Utility. Boot space of 345 liters. Foldable rear seats for additional cargo capacity. Hyundai i20. Price range starts from 7.04 lakh rupees. Premium features. Infotainment. 10.25-inch touchscreen AVN system with smartphone connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bose premium sound system. Wireless charging pad for a comfortable smartphones. Engine options. There are 2 engine options are available, 1.2 liter Kappa and 1.5 liter diesel engine options offering blend of performance and efficient transmission. Manual and automatic transmission options available for a personalized driving experience. Comfort and convenience. Cabin space. Spacious cabin with sufficient headroom and legroom. Climate control. Automatic climate control system with rear AC vents to enhance the passenger comfort. Multiple airbag, ABS EBD, vehicle stability management, hill start assist, rear camera with parking guidelines. Maruti Suzuki Baleno. Price range starts from 6.66 lakh rupees. Reliability. Maruti Suzuki assurance, trusted reliability, low maintenance cost and extensive service network. Space and comfort. Interior. Spacious cabin with sufficient headroom and legroom for front and rear passengers. Boot space. Generous boot space of 339 liters suitable for luggage and shopping bags. Engine efficiency. Petrol engine 1.2 liter dual jet with dual VVT with smart hybrid technology for improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Mileage. Excellent mileage up to 23.87 km, making it economical for daily commutes. Infotainment. 7-inch SmartPlay Studio touchscreen with smartphone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation and voice recognition. Safety features. Dual front airbag, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, rear view camera with display. Kia Sonet. Price range starts from 7.9 lakh rupees. SUV styling and interior. Bold design with a Kia signature tiger nose grille, LED headlamp and sporty character lines. Interior. Premium interiors with leather upholstery. 10.25-inch HD touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, UVO connected car technology. Engine of multiple engine choice including petrol 1.2 liter and diesel 1.5 liter CRDI engines offering power and efficiency. Transmission. Manual and automatic transmission options with a drive modes, normal, eco mode for enhanced driving dynamics. Safety and convenience. 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, hill start assist, rear parking sensor with camera. Comfort. Ventilated front seats, automatic climate control, smart key, wireless phone charger and electric sunroof. Utility. Cargo space. Flexible seats option with 60/40 split fold rear seats, enough boot space for luggage and equipment. Maruti Suzuki Swift. Price range starts from 6.5 lakh rupees. Sporty design. Exterior. Dynamic and aerodynamic design with a LED projector headlamp, bold front grille and precious cut alloy wheels. Interior. Premium dual tone interiors with sporty accent, comfortable seats and driver centric cockpit. Engine K12 dual jet engine with ideal start-stop technology for enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced emission. Transmission manual and automatic transmission option available for seamless performance. Efficiency and technology. Fuel efficiency excellent mileage up to 23.76 km per liter, making it economical for long drives and city commutes. Infotainment Smart Play Studio, touchscreen with smartphone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, steering mode controls and voice recognition. Safety features: dual front airbags, ABS EBD, reverse parking sensor, rear camera with display, Suzuki Total Effective Control technology for structural integrity. These detailed explanation highlight why each car is top choice under 10 lakh, focusing on safety, performance, comfort, technology and overall value. You can choose your best car under 10 lakh rupees. And don't forget to subscribe.